And nope. Why do I say hi like that? I don't know. I don't say hi like that in normal life. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hey guys, welcome to the Moody Eclectic. I'm so excited that you're here, especially because this is the very first video of my brand new series titled Where Do I Start? Basically, this is going to be a guide on how to either switch over your current design style or just maybe you just haven't found it yet. You're looking, you kind of have been going through the trends. Well, we are going to get to the root of it, and I'm going to help you out today. So keep on watching. All right, so we have three things we're going to talk about. The first thing, and the most important thing that you need to remember whenever you're figuring out your design style, is you need to start from a clean slate. Don't consider anything, any style that you think you like. You can like it, but we're not going to deal with it right now. We're wiping the slate clean. We're starting new. We're going to even look at styles that you wouldn't even consider because you might like something more than you realize. So I really want you guys to just think outside of the box. That is the beauty of design and art, is that you truly get to think outside of the box, do things differently, break the rules, follow the rules. It doesn't matter. It's your home. So the first question is, what do you love? What do you absolutely love? I love going through walks in the woods. I love it. I love not knowing what to expect. I love the texture and I love the colors when the sun goes through the leaves. I just love it. It's very peaceful. I love my family. I love my husband. I love my cats. I love coffee. I love my family. I love these things. So because I love them, because they're important to me and they're valuable, I want to take that idea of what I love and I'm going to put it into my house. And I think that's where, you know, the putting it in there can be difficult. So we're going to kind of break it down for you a little bit. One way, let's talk about first family. I love my family. Most of you might have a roommate, you might live alone, whatever it is. I have kids, so that means I have toys everywhere, all the time. Literally, I got banana peels probably hidden under the couch. I don't know. So this means that I'm probably not going to buy a very expensive rug or even like a very expensive thing that's at their level right now. You know, they'll grow up and they'll grow up. Okay, so I also have baskets in all the rooms. Like I said, they have toys. And I've also taught them how to throw things away. I think they forget often, but it's fine. You know, we're just going to move past that part. Anyways, I love them though. I want them to feel comfortable in my home. I love my husband. My husband is an outdoor person. So I do have a big deer in my living room that I've learned to love over time, and I genuinely do love it because it's like a piece of him that gets to shine when I just decorate the entire house in like craziness. He gets this moment and he definitely deserves it. I love the trees, like I said, in the woods, so I can interpret that into bringing in a lot of wood into my home. Stones, geodes are really cool. Plants, leaves, all of these things can be brought in. The very next question is going to have three little mini questions with it, but I think they all matter. This question is, how do you want to feel in a room? I have never in my life decorated a room without considering how I wanted to feel in that room. Even in my bedroom, I wanted my bedroom to feel like I was in a hotel. Like, because you know when hotel beds are just, I don't know, something about sleeping in a hotel bed, even though so many other people have slept in it. Maybe it's really not that great. You know what? No, it is. I like it. I like it. There's like a bunch of blankets and pillows and everything is white and pretty, and you just don't think about other people sleeping on it. Okay. How do you want to feel in the morning when you wake up in your home? Now, if you're someone who wants to like sit down and drink your coffee and maybe you read something and you just enjoy a slow morning like me, you might want to consider making a place for that moment. It might just be on your couch, so maybe just consider getting some nice pillows or a blanket that feels good to touch or anything like that. A candle that you like, just something that you love to put in that space. So when you are sitting there drinking your coffee, you can just have this moment of just relaxing, you know. Maybe you are always late all the time, which happens. I've been there. So you might want to consider having an organized closet, having an organized kitchen so you can like get ready, get your food, and run to work. It's a lot harder to record videos than I predicted. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anyways, let's get back into it. How do you want to feel when you come home? How do you want to feel when you get off of work, when you've been out all day and I don't know what you did with your life, but you did these things, you're coming home, you're tired. What do you want to do when you get into your house? Some people, as soon as they get into the house, they want to take their pants off and sit on the couch and watch TV for the rest of the day. And I 500% support that. I say do it. So let's prepare your couch. Let's get cozy pillows and blankets. Maybe we'll even have like a nice coffee table where everything's always there and you have your drinks and your snacks and you're just ready to go for the rest of the night. But maybe you come home and you can't do that yet. You have to cook. Kids have to do homework. You might even have to do work from home. All of these things. So prepare those places. Have them ready and consider them before you ever consider buying furniture. If your kid needs to do homework somewhere and you have no other place for them to do homework except for the kitchen table, you might not want to get rid of your kitchen table, you know? I mean, I guess you could get rid of it and get a desk. Sure. I guess, whatever. Get rid of your kitchen table. So how do you want to feel when you go to bed at night? How do you want to feel when you walk into your bedroom? Some people are completely against the TV in the bedroom. They say, no TV, the room is only for sleeping, and that is okay. My husband's that way. He does not want to watch TV, do anything in the bed. He just wants to literally go to sleep. I'm the type of person, I like to sit in my bed. I like to read, I like to write, listen to music, watch TV. So I have all of those things here. So a way you could interpret that into your home is I have nightstands that have drawers so that I can keep my books in there, my pens, I don't know, all of my stuff in there. Sometimes even fingernail polish. Listen, I love the bed. I love the bed. I have put a lot of time and effort into making it as cozy as possible, and I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to watch TV in my bed with no regrets. So you have to do you. You have to remember that this is your house. No one else is living in this house. Alright guys, so that is it for me. I know I've given you a little bit of homework. You got to answer these questions about yourself, but it's okay. It's only going to help you get better because we can't make our home work for us until we know who we are and what we need. So make sure you watch the next video. If you're watching this on a Sunday, the next one won't be out until next Sunday. There's going to be 5 episodes in this series. Where do I even start? I'm really excited about it, so yeah. Alright, you guys have a good day. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, I don't know. You don't want to miss out. I got a lot of content coming and I can't wait to give it to you guys. Bye.